Alright guys, doing the randomization for break 175. AFC first, Tyler on top, Sarah on bottom. Got the Ravens on top, Titans on the bottom. Dice roll 5 or greater. 7. Last round. Got the Jags on top, Dolphins on the bottom. Alright, break 175 NFC. We got Cardinals on top, Redskins on the bottom. Dice roll 5 or greater, guys. 7 again. Cardinals on top, Eagles on the bottom. Alright, there's the first one, guys.
It's going to be, if it's overturned, it's going to be 4th down and goal.